Okay, so this is the late dispute drive. We just do this once a month before the cutoff. So
Mhm.
usually I would file 17th or 18th kasi hindi na natin aantayin yung 19th kasi baka masarahan tayo ng drive sa
Mhm.
office. So as I've mentioned, you have a late dispute now, you file it already here. So as you can see here on top, frozen lang yan. So hanapin mo yung ending. Ikaw ba to? Hanapin mo yung ending. Tapos sundin mo lang to. So Mary, tapos Sheen, and then yung mismong copy ID.
Mhm.
Ilagay mo muna sa notepad. From the notepad, tsaka mo i-paste sa isang, how do you call this? Sa isang cell. Dito mo siya i-paste. Para isang cell, pasok lahat ng copy ID. Get it?
Mhm.
Tapos ngayon, nandito yung reason mo. Usually, so like yours, kunwari, 2 times kang pumasok, right? Yung
Mhm.
5 minutes before at saka nagka-boob issue ka, so 2 recordings dito.
Mhm.
So, since it cannot accommodate, it's too small, what you need to do, dun sa mismong message mo sa akin about this dispute, ilalagay mo, these are your 2 recordings. And then ID, well, sa ID nandito na rin naman yung date. Tapos
Mhm.
reason. So that when I file this, yung mismong proof nun, I'll get it from the ding dong. You get it?
Okey po.
Yon. Okay. So yung cancellation dispute naman, so as you can see here, frozen din sa taas. So this is your example. So dito ka magfa-file sa baba. And then make sure that you follow each. So like last time, tina mo 5-3, walang nag-file, so ending na yan. Why I put an ending? Because I cannot, even if you file here, pagka nag-close na yung drive sa office natin, hindi na rin ako
Mhm.
there's no entry anymore. So, i-end ko na rin dito. So, after ng 5-3, 5-4 na, ongoing na to. Right? So, if follow mo lang to, status of the class, is it teacher normal cancel, TEC ba siya, tapos your status, blah, your name, ganun din. So,
Mhm.
but medyo nakahimay ito, yung ID ni student, SID. So, copy and paste ka rin sa notepad para himayin mo yung ID. You
Mhm.
get it? NL siya, PT ba siya, kasi magkaibang price nun. So, you have to specify this. If not, hindi ko siya ifa-file kasi I won't do the investigation for you.
Mhm.
It? So, ito yung date. Tapos, like si Teacher Weekly, madalas to provincial power outage. I think you also have the provincial power outage in your area, right?
Once lang.
So, ang kailangan nito is, like how Teacher Rachel would do, is she would send me the screenshot ng outage ng area.
Mhm.
Kasi yung kanila La Trinidad, right? So may date yon. Kung ang date nito is 4/18, lalagyan niya rin yung mismong screenshot niya na 4/18.
Mhm.
I get it from the Ding Dong din. So pag titingnan mo dito, proof ba? Ayan, nakalagay dito is send to TM, send to TM, proof.
Mhm.
Yan. Klaro na? So
Yes,
I'll
TM.
just wait for your dispute.
Yes, TM.
Okay.
Yung access na lang, TM.